good section of the road right here. When it's clean, today might not be that day, but coming here to slay the dragon, you've really got to find the other roads to ride on. I mean, look at this. You don't get views like this when you're slaying a dragon. I'm surprised they didn't pull out. Just beautiful. Somebody were to take this building on the left here, turn it back into a gas station, I'd stop there. It has those industrial fryer vents in the back, so you know they were cooking something. I bet it was good. Catfish sandwich and french fries. Come on, y'all. You know I'm right. Yep, holiday weekend. Holiday weekend. I bet they're mowing 28 this weekend. They got to get as much grass on the road as possible on the holidays. Alright, I'm about to turn this off, but shameless plug, Chirahela Mountain Trails, that is a motorcycle campground right there. Check it out. You're within 5 miles of Tellico Plains. And and you got this nice road to ride on. So, all right, I'm gonna make a right-hand turn here. This is gonna dump me into Tellico Plains, and I'll talk to you on the next one.